Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and to my regular viewers, welcome back. Before I go any further, if you find I'm looking up instead of looking directly, it's because I have a new camera and I'm still getting adjusted to this thing. I have a flip up screen for like selfies and stuff, so I flip up the screen, so I'm looking at that. So you find I'll be looking up this way instead of looking down this way, so just bear with me if you see I'm looking up this way, right, because I'm looking at the screen. Anyway, so today I want to talk about what happened on Tuesday, August 21st, right? I know you guys know I live in Tortola, but I traveled here last week Thursday. I'm in Trinidad. When I say here, I'm in Trinidad right now, and so I was here on Tuesday. So what happened is that we had a massive earthquake in Trinidad. Could you believe that? Last year I was in Tortola. We had the Hurricane Irma historical event that was in September last year, and now this thing in August. Really? Anyway, so my story goes like this. Well, I was in the living room side, and I was about to make a roast beef, right? So my mom was in the bathroom area, so I passed by her and I felt it start to shake, the ground started to shake. So I just simply told her earthquake. Actually, I heard the rumbling first. So I told her earthquake, right? But she didn't really feel anything at that time. And then it started to pick up, and it picked up. And then I went across to my daughter because she was in the bed. She's pregnant right now, and she was in the bed lying down. And it picked up, and it picked up like how my hand is shaking. That's how it was. It was like, picking up, and it was just going on and on and on. So I held on to my daughter, and my mom just started praying. She said, she was saying, Lord have mercy, right? And I kept on going, right? Like I didn't want to stop. So I hold on to my daughter, I hold on to my mom because it's getting worse and worse, right? And then she said, let's pray. And then we started to pray. My son-in-law was in the dining room side. He already had got home from work, and he was in the dining room side. So I called out to him. I said, Joel, come, because we were about to pray. So we held hands and stuff, and we started to pray, and this thing went on. And then it paused for like a few seconds. So we said we stopped a little bit, and then it started again, and it was heavier, and the house was shaking. I couldn't move. I didn't even think of moving to go outside. Some people, I saw like videos, people were outside and stuff. We didn't even think of moving because my mom, she's an old person, and my daughter, she really is basically confined to bed. So she's, like I said, she's pregnant on her last lap, so we didn't even think about going outside and stuff. So we just held on to each other and started to pray. We prayed, and I was damn well scared, trust me. Hey, your girl was scared. So we held on to each other, we started to pray, and we prayed, and this thing was going on. You was hearing things like falling down. I think only one glass break, nothing major, but and the house was shaking, the ground was shaking. Lord have mercy. And we prayed, and it just died down. That was scary, guys. That was scary. Hoy, trust me, that was scary. Anyway, so that died on one thing, and we took a little while. The first thing I did, I jumped on Facebook. I left a message that we just experienced this hurricane and we were safe. I did that because basically from what I experienced in Hurricane Irma, people would have heard about this and wanted to know if we were safe. So I did that to let everybody know we were safe and stuff. I just did that on Instagram and stuff to see who else, people that I knew on Instagram in the same area, if they were okay and stuff. I called my husband, I called my son, let them know that we were safe and stuff. I did that right away. We called some people around the area, the neighborhood, to see if they were okay. My mom, she said her legs were like still trembling and stuff, so she was totally shaken. We were all shaken by the event, so I just wanted to share that with you because I know most of you guys may have heard it who are not in the Caribbean, may have heard about it and are wondering how we are doing and stuff. Apparently it was a really huge hurricane. Let's get down to statistics now. Apparently what happened is a hurricane that came off of Venezuela, because we are close to Venezuela, and the earthquake really started from Venezuela. We are very close to Venezuela, and the strength that I heard from the earthquake from Venezuela is about 7.3, around that range, and what we experienced was about 6.8 in the strength. Good morning, yeah, in the strength of the earthquake, right? So we're getting conflicting information, but that's what I heard so far. So what was in Venezuela was stronger than what we experienced, and I also heard that the people who are on the western side of Trinidad, that the earthquake was even stronger because that side is closer to Venezuela. So Venezuela got the effect of the earthquake. Venezuela, Suriname, Guyana, St. Vincent, Barbados, Grenada. I think that's what I heard, because when I sent up messages to my friends and stuff, I was getting report back of these different areas were affected by the earthquake. It was really huge, guys, really huge. You know, I mean, again, like I said before, earthquake in 2018, hurricane in 2017. I've been wondering, right? Now my daughter is telling me now this earthquake that happened this week, it was a triple of a major earthquake some part of the world, and apparently we will be getting earthquakes in different parts of the world. I don't know, it's kind of technical for me to explain, but yeah. So what I'll do at the end of this video, I got some videos on WhatsApp in, that people took from this earthquake, so I'll show you so you can see what people took and what was looking like. But our reports is so far that what I heard, there are no deaths. Another scary thing about this too, when you're looking at figures, the other earthquakes that had in previous days, like in Haiti and those different places, the strength of their earthquake is very close to what we experienced on Tuesday, and they had lots of deaths, hundreds of deaths. And so far there are no reports of any deaths in Trinidad, and I totally feel blessed right now. I totally feel blessed. I'm talking for me, and I'm also glad too that I was here too. With my mother when this happened, or my family, at least my close family. I was here with my daughter and her son, her husband. At least I was here with them, you know. So I had to share that with you guys in case you guys are wondering if I'm okay, if we're okay. We are okay, and we're still shaking up. As a matter of fact, yesterday, we were warned that we will get a few aftershocks, maybe next hour, 2 hours, 24 hours. They even said like weeks and stuff. And there was one yesterday. That was around 9:15. I was in a place called Arima, in a 3-story building, and we felt the building started to shake and stuff. But that was just for a few seconds, you know. So we were still shaking from the first one on Tuesday, but the one yesterday was just a few seconds. It wasn't that bad. Oh, the time for that the hurricane, I keep saying hurricane, so you guys please excuse me. The time that the earthquake took on Tuesday was approximately a minute, but the report said that the earth shook longer than that, but what we felt was like for about a minute. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.
Oh, they're trying to kill me here, boy. It is the worst. Game happening.
Now, watch how everything's shaking. Everything's shaking real dread. All the cars squeaking, pole shaking, house rumbling. Watch on my van. I want to know what's shaking so. This is insane. Watch how everything's shaking ways. Watch out that. Watch out that. Huh? What happened over there, Sparks?
Yeah.
That was an intense earthquake.
You're saying hurricane
Where? When I say it just now?
twice.
Okay, I'll just put a thing. My daughter is just telling me that I made a few mistakes in what I was saying. I said hurricane, but I'll edit this to, you know that, guys, what I mean. Earthquake. Anyway, what I was saying is what I was saying now. Cara, who?
Earthquake in Venezuela.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so what really happened, what we heard is that the hurricane, oh, there I go again.